Hello and welcome to Vlogmas. Can you guys believe this? I don't even believe it myself. I'm gonna try this year for real. Last year I really tried to pull and start the channel doing Vlogmas. Who starts a channel doing Vlogmas? Can you tell me? Yeah, it didn't work. Surprise! Or not so surprise, I would say. But anyway, the thing is, this year, it's serious, you guys. It is serious. So, I'm gonna have one video every single day in December, starting today, December the 1st, up until December 25, Christmas Day, including of Christmas Day. So, all that I'm gonna be sharing is related to Christmas. It is the most amazing time of the year, if you ask me. I just love it so much. On top of that, I live in Christmas Wonderland. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. And so I could not do it properly, or so I'm trying. You can judge. I'm trying. I have prepared a short, humble, but yet mighty Vlogmas intro. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know below in the comments. And I hope you enjoy this vlog. Good morning. How are you guys? Good morning and welcome to the first Vlogmas. So I'm gonna get ready now, hydrate my 35-year-old skin. It's winter. We have the stove all day long working, so the air is really dry. Like you don't need a dryer if you have a stove at home. Like everything dries like that, like almost like as if it would be summer. So I do try to do laundry often, not leave like a big bunch and then having to put it on the dryer, especially because I can take advantage of just the dryer, because I used to not do that, always put it in the dryer because it's convenient. But of course it more electricity, more static electricity. I find the clothes don't smell as nice when they're dried naturally. They preserve more the freshness, I find. I prefer it. So I put it in the dryer if I must or if I have to. But as much as I can, I avoid it because I don't think it's, the best. And so basically, now I do dry all this stuff, hanging it in the dining room, living room. It's not super aesthetic, but it's functional. So I'm gonna put just a little bit because you can see my face is all full of redness. So I'm gonna try to, you know, unred myself. I'm finishing a bottle, so I'm just scraping little bits. Or maybe I need some light now, just so that I don't look dead. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm scraping in this bottle. It's a makeup formula that has like concealer in it, so it's like high coverage. You can see the difference. So you don't need a lot. You just need, especially if you want like a natural look, just a little bit under eyes. This area with this, what I have most redness, which sometimes I'm like, you know, if I wanted a natural look, I would leave my redness, because that's what's natural to me. I'm always red. But I don't know, like just that, it looks so much calmer and nice, I find. Maybe, you know, oh, somebody's here. Hi, Eira. Hello. Hi, beautiful. What are you doing? You come to say hi? Yeah. Okay, so just a little makeup. Quick. Hi, Kenzo. Hello. You see, so much nicer. And now, oh, I didn't do my, this, I forget this area, but I have a lot of like veins that you can see through. So I don't put a lot, just like a tiny bit, but just a very quick makeup setup. What did I do? Sometimes I change things from its place. Oh yeah, it's there. Because I have all my stuff from the nails that I need to pick up. Because this weekend I got new nails. And I did them myself. I'm thinking that in 2 weeks I'm gonna change them to do more of a like Christmassy look, but I wanted very neutral hands. I haven't been doing my nails for like forever because, you know, I'm into gardening. But it doesn't mean you cannot garden and also do your nails, because I always wear gloves, so that should be fine. This is like my go-to color because of my brown eyes, and I just do the crease a little bit like that, and then I smudge it to create a little depth on my side, and that's it, just with that. And then eyebrows. Because on the edge here they're blonder, and on the top, like, I'm missing a bit of definition. Like, I don't know why the ends are blonder because it feels like my eyebrows are disappearing. But that's how they are. Like, I have a black, like a darker spot here. Why? I don't know. You know, genetics are a little funny. So I try to compensate by putting this here, but I don't always manage. Okay, I normally don't put any like line sometimes, but I don't feel like it today. So before I go powder, no, I'm gonna do powder just to set the makeup. I try not to put too much because otherwise my fine wrinkles, they show up and I don't like that. But I like to set the makeup because it takes any like extreme shyness away. But also you don't want to take all the glowiness, I guess. So, because you know, sometimes I put too much powder and you look dull. You look like tired. No bueno. And that's it. And then I just do a little like neutral color. Sometimes I change, but I feel like natural pink is good. And then this mascara is the best mascara. Like I had like, you know, I have Idol from Lancome. I had Dior. I had L'Oreal Panorama. I mean, I still have them, but let me tell you, Sky High from Maybelline, which you're like, what? Yeah, it's so good. And for the price, it's amazing. So I highly recommend it. Maybe some blush. Yeah, that's the last thing. But I normally do MAC. This is number Melba Matte. Yeah, Melba Matte. Melba Matte. As you can see, I use it a lot. And, you know, it's not one of those that it, like, pains extremely. Like, you need to... Am I ready? Okay. Now, get dressed and for a walk. Hey, Kenzo, you want the ball? You want the ball? Oh, Kenzo, Alex is cleaning the stove. We're gonna have a nice chimney fire. That's gonna be all cozy. Yeah, it's gonna be all cozy. Are you excited? Me too. Okay, you wanna go for a walk, my baby? You wanna go walk in the snow? Would you like that? Yes. Hi, Eira. Hi, Eira. Ah, that's a ball. Ah. Who's first? Eira or Kenzo? Don't hide. Come. Kenzo. Come. Come, Kenzo. Kenzo, come. I need to take your necklace. Come. Why you make it so difficult, huh? Oh my gosh, hein? T'es un peu...
Il est plus gros.
Il est rempli, là. You're a little big, Kenzo. On va voir si le manteau ça te fait. Viens-t'en. Je sais plus ça fait, non? Quel manteau ça te fait? Parce que, monsieur, il a sa pâte.
Pauvre chien.
Hein?
Pauvre chien.
Pourquoi vos chiens? Okay, Kenzo, you need to come here. Recule. Okay. Come. Good girl. We're gonna put the harness, okay? Don't try, no trouble. Don't shake. It's all good. Yes, that's my princess. Yes, that's my princess. My little princess. Good girl. We're gonna take this away. Okay. Oh, scratchy scratch. And then we're gonna put this. Okay? Oh. Parce qu'il fait froid dehors. It's really cold outside. Okay.
Pauvre Kenzo. Pauvre chien Kenzo.
Arrête de lui dire ça.
Mais il aime pas ça.
Ça lui va bien, Aida. Je pense que Kenzo est grandi. Good girl. Yeah? Regardez ici, ta bédaine. Ça marche bien. Yes. Good girl, Ada. Oh, you're my precious. You're my precious girl. Mwah. Okay. Okay, my monkeys are ready. All right, let's go. Okay. Let's go, les amis. Ouh! Oops, whoops. What? Oh my God. Wait. Wait. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna have snow in my boots. Alex avait raison. There's a lot of snow. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wait. Shh. Wait. Hi, Kenzo. Tu l'as-tu donné un bâton?
Ah non?
Oh, ben là, un bâton, Aida. Do you want a little treat?
Parce qu'en même temps.
Do you want a little treat? Go with Alex. He's gonna give you a treat. Oh.
Elle, ça doit la faire chier parce qu'elle aime pas quand.
Oh, yes, she loves the stick. She likes it.
Elle aime ça?
Yes, she likes it. No, not these ones. The sticks.
Ah.
These ones not as much. Go, Ada. You're gonna get a treat. Yes, baby.
Sit.
Oh,
Sit. sit. Hey, sit. Doucement.
Yes, my babies. Yum, yum. You have your little batonette. Isn't it delicious? Delicious. Okay. It's our time now. Supper time. A little soup. A little pizza. And my little Alex. Hello.
Hello.
And that's all for today, guys. That's all I got in me. It's 11 p.m. So I'm gonna go to bed now. Thank you for watching. And tomorrow, if you want to follow along, I'll be installing the lights. Christmas lights outside. See you tomorrow. Bye.